how to open a trading FBS account or how to open a trading account on FBS. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can open or create a new trading account or the new trading FBS account. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through quick and easy with this video. First things first, you can simply head into your browser on your device, either on your phone or your PC. Now there you want to head into browser and you can simply head into fbs.com/trading/platforms, or you can simply type in fbs.com and you'll be headed to this official web page. Now, in order to create an account, at the top right corner you can see a green icon there that says open account. Beside it you can see login as well. If you already have an account, you can simply tap on login, click on login, and then you can go ahead, enter in your credentials and log in. However, if you want to create one, simply click on open account or tap on open account and it will take you to the page where you'll be able to fill in certain forms. Now you can see register here. Now trader registration, first you'll have to enter in your email, enter in your full name, or you can simply click on Google or Apple ID or Facebook and you can enter in your Apple ID or Google account or Facebook and you can log in. Now I'll just tap on or click on Google here and it'll ask me to select a Google account. I'll just select my Google account real quick and it'll fill in my details from my Google account itself, as you can see here, and you'll be able to proceed it. Now you'll have to go through a couple of steps here before actually being able to open an account. You can see, first select the trading platform, whether the MetaTrader 5 or 4, and then the account currency, whether you want US dollars or euro. From there, down below you can select the leverage and simply click on open account. Now once you do so, here you'll be able to save your registration information. You can see, you can copy this and you can keep this and then simply click on deposit funds, go ahead and enter in other credentials and deposit the funds and you are good to go. So this way you can open a FBS trading account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.